Imagine a world where objects can disappear right before your eyes. Sounds like science fiction? Well, scientists are turning this fantasy into reality with groundbreaking research in invisibility cloaks. In 2010, researchers at Purdue University made a major breakthrough. Using advanced metamaterials, specially engineered materials, they developed a cloak that can bend light around objects, effectively making them invisible to the human eye. This metamaterial is made of ultra-thin layers of silver and aluminum oxide, etched with tiny holes just 100 nanometers wide, thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. To overcome light absorption, a gain medium is used to amplify light, guiding it seamlessly around the object. Essentially, the cloak tricks your eyes into seeing what's behind the object rather than the object itself. The science behind this is rooted in the behavior of electromagnetic waves. Normally, light bounces off objects and reaches our eyes, allowing us to see them. But these metamaterials redirect light around an object, creating a region where light behaves as if the object isn't there. The result? An optical illusion of invisibility.